Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to sort x-axis in Power BI. As you can see, this one is completely wrong. I wanted it from January going all the way to December, right? And if I come here to visualizations, the build, okay? We scroll down, you'll see right here that for this specific chart, x-axis has been set to month name. So make sure you have that set up. You just drag it here and make sure it's set up correctly. Then all you want to do is click on these three dots for more options. And you see this sort axis. Now, if I hover over this, make sure you toggle on month name. Okay, if it's not toggled on, make sure you toggle that on. And you just need to set that to ascending, for example. Okay, click here, sort to ascending. So we'll start from a January going all the way to December, as you can see. And it's really that easy and simple.